Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you all how I did this glitter cut crease look. So if you like this look and you want to see how I achieved it, please keep watching. But first, are you subscribed? If not, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell beside it. And thanks for watching. So first we're going to go in with this dark brown using a fluffy brush, putting that brown into my crease. I'm going to put that in my transition area to soften up the edges. So I wiped off the eyeshadow that went further down than I wanted, and I'm going to create a cut crease in the shape that follows my eyeline. I'm going to use this Ardelle Photo Base Concealer, and it's in the color 7.5. That's what I'm going to use to clean up my, to create my cut crease. I'm going to follow the shape of my eye and create the pattern that I want the shadow to go in that I'm going to put on top. So it's going to create a little wing right here. And I'm going to use this ColourPop shadow in the color Prickly Pear, and I'm going to use a flat brush and put that on top of the concealer. Okay, so I applied the foundation and concealer and I set that. Now I'm going to warm up my face with a dark shade of powder. So I'm going to add a blush. And since this blush has a little highlight in it, I can also spread it out as a highlighter. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just putting it really well. And this is the finished look.